Подарили мне конфет, подарили мне игрушек немало. Только мне как не проси, а просила, что из сил. Мама отказала. Не хочу велосипед, ни игрушек, ни конфет, ни красивую книжку. А я маму тормошу: подарите мне, прошу, подарите мне сестренку с братишкой. Видно, совсем ни одной формулы нет для нее. Может, ее изобрел добрый какой-то волшебник. Может быть, это сам Бог чудо послал свое. А любовь, когда сердце поет беззаботно, а любовь — это точно волшебное что-то. На парке цветы, в портфеле записка, наверное, все уже близко.
Lately I've been thinking about what we had. I know it was hard, it was all that we knew, yeah. Have you been drinking to take all the pain away? I wish that I could give you what you deserve, 'cause nothing can ever replace you. Nothing can make me feel like you do, yeah. You know there's no one I can relate to. I know we won't find a love that's so true. There's nothing like us, there's nothing like
you. You take the clothes off my back and I let you. You steal the food right out my mouth and I watch you eat it. I still don't know why I love it so much. Oh, you curse my name in spite to put me to shame. Have my laundry on the streets, dirty or clean. Give it up for fame, but I still don't know why I love it so much. Yeah. And baby, it's amazing I'm in this place with you. I I just can't crack your code. One day screaming you love me loud, next day you're so cold. One day you're here, one day you're there, one day you care, so unfair. Sipping from the cup till you run it over.
Tem ideia do que é ver você todo dia sentado ao meu lado e sorrindo como você sabe bem. Só eu sei o que é estar contigo e saber que somos só amigos e você está pensando em outro alguém. Eu fico pensando no jeito certo, na hora exata de chegar perto e te dizer tudo que eu nem sei dizer. Quero tanto te contar, quero jogar fora o medo e te abraçar, ficar só com você. Baby, baby, eu tenho tanto pra dizer, decorei cada palavra pra você saber que eu te quero, mas você nem me vê.
I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, just like the ones I used to know, where the treetops glisten and children listen to hear sleigh bells in the snow, the snow. I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, with every Christmas card I write. May your days be merry and bright, and may all your Christmases be white.
I already know my grandma wrote back in 1923. Grandpa kept it in his coat and he showed it once to me. He said, boy, you might not understand, but a long, long time ago, Grandma's daddy didn't like me none, but I loved your grandma so. We had this crazy plan to meet and run away together, get married in the first town we came to and live forever. But nailed to the tree where we were supposed to meet instead. I found this letter, and this is what it said. If you get there before I do, don't give up on me. I'll meet you in my chosen